If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed, that seed would be this. Power without direction creates nothing. Direction turns power into results. Most people are not lacking strength. They are not lacking ambitions. They are not even lacking effort. They are lacking direction. They wake up motivated. They start many things. They stay busy all day. But at the end of the week, the month, the year, they feel like they have moved yet not truly arrived anywhere. Because scattered effort wastes strength. Imagine sunlight spread across the entire sky. It lights everything, but it changes nothing. Now imagine that same light focused through our lens. It becomes powerful enough to ignite fire. You are that light. When your energy is everywhere, your results are nowhere. Every distraction you follow, every goal you half commit to, every time you switch direction because something feels hard, you dilute your own force. And diluted force cannot build a meaningful life. Direction is not about doing more, it is about doing less but with precision. It is choosing what matters and returning to it again and again, even when it becomes repetitive, even when it becomes uncomfortable. Because results are not created by intensity, they are created by consistency applied in the same direction. Powerful people don't chase everything, they align with one path long enough for it to compound. They understand something most never learn. Progress requires repetition, mastery requires focus, growth requires staying when the excitement fades. Without direction, motivation burns out. With direction, discipline takes over. And discipline is what carries you when feelings change. So, today, stop asking, how can I do more? Start asking, where should I direct what I already have? You don't need more energy, you need clearer aim. Choose your priority, commit to it, return to it tomorrow, and the next day, and the next. Let your efforts stack, not scatter. Your life doesn't change when you become more powerful, it changes when you become more directed. Power is potential, direction is execution. Stand still long enough to decide where you are going. Then walk that path with patience, not urgency. Because slow, focused movement will always outperform fast, scattered motion. Guard your direction, protect your focus, apply your strength deliberately, and watch how the same energy that once felt wasted begins to build something real, something lasting, something yours. Ask yourself, where is my energy scattered right now? What is one direction I must commit to without distraction? Am I chasing motion or building progress? What would change if I stay committed with one path for the next 90 days? Choose direction and let your power finally produce results. Thank you for being here.